let us see how we can shade Venn diagrams based on a given set condition. When I have A union B intersection C. This is the union symbol, this is the intersection symbol. Now, first let us draw all the three sets. A, B, C. Now, when there is a union, it's actually easier because union means all of this or all of this or all of both, which means eventually all the shading will occur. All the sets will come into shading anyways. So, since it's union, we can straight away go ahead and start shading in the main diagram. Shade all of A. It doesn't matter if some of the region overlaps with B and C because it is part of A, so it will have to come eventually. Now B intersection C, I am using a different shading. B intersection C is the part that overlaps between B and C alone. Now, since it's union, what I've shaded here as well as this will be the representation for the entire diagram. Now that we are sure of this, we can shade the whole thing, and this particular shading represents A union B intersection C. Now, what if we happen to have intersection as the main operator and union here? Now we cannot straight away go ahead with the main picture. Instead, we will have to draw a rough sketch and do it in parts and then come to the final shading. I am going to draw another rough sketch of the same Venn diagram. A, B, C. Now, since the final is intersection, first is B union C. B union C is all of B and all of C. Like I said, union is always all of it together. Now, these two represent B union C. Now, A is the entire A. Now, since the main operator is intersection, our final diagram needs to have the shading only in the part that overlaps between this shading and the entire A. So, as you can clearly see, it is this part that satisfies the condition of A as well as B intersection C. So, let me do that here now. So, I hope, like I mentioned, when the main operator is union, we can go ahead and shade in the main diagram itself. But when it is intersection, it's recommended that you do a couple of rough sketches and then come on to the main figure. Hope that helps. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.